All right, well, I've been sick. I'm feeling better now, but my voice is still a little shot. Just a cold, no biggie. But I thought it'd be fun to show some of you what's going on here. One of the drawbacks about living where I do, as you can see, it's a very beautiful place, but the combination of these tall trees, especially these guys right here, these are alder trees, they tend to fall over very easily when we have windstorms. Now, these trees here, these cedar, are usually pretty sturdy. And we have some great big cedar right next to our cabin. And it still makes me nervous, but because sometimes trees just snap in half, like right up, halfway up the tree, a seemingly healthy one. But the windstorms here are nuts. At any rate, we have an issue with our barn. Some trees fell on it. And I'm not going to show too much, but I just thought it'd be kind of fun to look at the activity. So we have some tree removal people out here now. Oh, I see my dad come in here. Hold on. Let's get a little closer. That's very different.
Good morning.
Morning.
Big difference. Huh?
Yeah. Wow.
You can do it.
This is very amazing. I was actually quite nervous about having to come in here with my dad and my husband and cut. There were at least 50 alder trees in here, and a lot of them are leaning in all these weird directions. It is a pain, and so this is quite a nice relief to have these out of here. I have many dreams of the possibilities, but it's not completely up to me. So anyway, I just thought this was pretty cool.
I saved a lot of trees. I'm trying to see if I can find one. Douglas fir further up here. Well, that one right there is a good example.
Yeah.
The big one. When I was here, it was about, first got here, it was about that big.
I believe it.
And I built a house and it had 8 skylights in it, so you can a lot of light over there, a lot of windows. And I'm poor. The house, I think I built it for about $30,000. And more to come later on, fix things up.
Oh,
of
sure.
course, now I turn the mill and man, everything's going to hell in a handbasket. But I saved 86 trees that were a direct threat to the house, like this.
Right.
And the skylights, these trees, like that one that was then about that big, were bending over the house and hitting each other directly over the house. And fortunately, none of them went down.
Nothing.
None of them broke. And so next spring and summer, I cut these 86 trees down. They were and they were beautiful trees.
Oh yeah, it's a hard thing. I mean, I live in the woods too. We got a lot of trees around the house, but it's scary in the windstorm. So because it makes you think if they decide to come down, it's going to go clear to the foundation.
You taking my picture?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?